So, ito yung breakfast nila, buffet nila. Fruits. Tama, syempre, marami. The soup. Congee. So, ito yung kanilang buffet, guys. There's fruits. So, pwede magpaluto dyan. And this is the food. So, sausage, ham, and some vegetable. Yung noodles nila, guys. Matamis and sour a bit. Tapos, vegetable na, guys. And ito yung oven toaster nila. Pwede mo initin dyan yung mga bread. So, ito yung mga palaman. Ito sauce. Yan. And this one. You want cupcake?